Hello, my name is Logan. It's payday. That notification just popped up on your phone. Ah, the sweet sound of money hitting your bank account. You're already dreaming about that new gadget, a fancy dinner, or maybe a weekend getaway. But hold on a second. Before you start spending, what if I told you that the first few hours after you get paid are the most critical for your financial future? Making the right moves right away can be the difference between constantly feeling broke and building real, lasting wealth. So, let us ditch the financial stress and learn the 10 smart money moves you must make the moment your salary arrives. First up, number 1. The 1-hour freeze. That's right. For the first 60 minutes after your salary lands, do absolutely nothing. Don't open your shopping apps. Don't even browse. This isn't about restriction. It's about breaking the emotional spending cycle. When money comes in, our brains get a hit of dopamine, pushing us to spend for another reward. By pausing, you let that initial excitement settle down. You switch from your emotional brain to your logical brain. Take a deep breath, go for a walk, or finish up a task at work. This simple freeze prevents impulse buys you'll regret later and sets a calm, intentional tone for the rest of your financial decisions. Alright, step 2. Pay your future self first. Before you pay your landlord, your bills, or anyone else, you need to pay the most important person. This is the golden rule of personal finance. It means automating your savings and investments. The moment your salary arrives, have automatic transfers set up to whisk money away into different accounts. A portion should go into your retirement fund, like a 401k or IRA, to let compounding do its magic over the decades. Another chunk should go into your emergency fund, which we'll talk about more in a bit. And a third part can go into your investment account for other goals, like a house down payment or starting a business. Automating this makes saving effortless. The money is gone before you even have a chance to miss it or spend it. Now for number 3. Settle your 4 walls. This is about securing your basic needs before anything else. Your 4 walls are housing, utilities, transportation, and food. Before you think about subscriptions, entertainment, or eating out, make sure these are covered. Pay your rent or mortgage. Schedule your electricity and water bill payments. Set aside money for your commute and your groceries for the month. These are your non-negotiables. By securing them first, you create a foundation of financial stability. You know that no matter what happens for the rest of the month, your basic survival is guaranteed. It's a massive stress reliever. Step 4 is what I call the debt destroyer. High-interest debt is like a thief that silently steals your future wealth. I'm talking about credit card debt, personal loans, things with double-digit interest rates. After your 4 walls are secure, your next priority is to attack this debt. Make more than the minimum payment. Even an extra $50 or $100 can slash years off your repayment time and save you thousands in interest. There are 2 popular methods. The snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins, or the avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest debt first to save the most money. Either way, make a dedicated, aggressive payment the day you get paid. Moving on to step 5. Top up your emergency fund. We mentioned this in step 2, but it's so important it deserves its own point. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net for life's lovely surprises, like a car repair, a medical bill, or a sudden job loss. A good goal is to have 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses saved up in a high-yield savings account. It needs to be liquid initially, accessible, but not so easy that you're tempted to dip into it for a sale. Each payday, after your primary savings and debt payments, send a little extra to this fund until it's fully funded. Trust me, the peace of mind that comes with a healthy emergency fund is priceless. Number 6. Review your budget. Your budget isn't a financial it's your roadmap to financial freedom. Payday is the perfect time for a quick check-in. Open your budgeting app or spreadsheet. Did you stick to your plan last month? Are there any categories where you overspent? Maybe your grocery bill was higher than expected, or you spent less on gas. This isn't about judging yourself. It's about gathering data, adjust your budget for the upcoming month based on what you've learned. A budget is a living document that should adapt to your life. A 5-minute review on Payday keeps you in control and ensures your money is working for you, not against you. Next, we have number 7. Allocate your fun money. Yes, you heard me right. Being smart with money doesn't mean you can't have any fun. In fact, trying to be too restrictive is a recipe for disaster. It leads to burnout and splurging. That's why you need to create a dedicated guilt-free spending category in your budget. This is money set aside specifically for things you enjoy eating out, hobbies, movies, whatever brings you joy. By intentionally allocating funds for fun, you can spend it without an ounce of guilt, knowing that all your important financial bases are already covered. It makes your financial journey sustainable and, well, fun. Step 8 is a powerful one. Set a mini goal for the month. Big goals like become a millionaire can feel overwhelming. So, on Payday, set a small, achievable financial goal for the next 30 days. It could be anything. I will pack my lunch 3 times a week to save money. I will put an extra $25 towards my credit card debt, or I will learn about one new type of investment. These mini goals build momentum. Each time you achieve one, you build confidence and create positive habits. It gamifies your finances and turns a chore into a challenge. At the end of the month, you'll have a tangible win to celebrate. We're almost there. Step 9 is conduct a subscription audit. This is one of the easiest ways to find extra money in your budget. On Payday, take 10 minutes to scroll through your bank or credit card statements from the last month. Look for all those recurring charges for streaming services, apps, gym memberships you don't use, and subscription boxers. Ask yourself a simple question for each one. Did I get enough value from this to justify the cost? You'll be shocked at how much you're spending on things you forgot you even signed up for. Cancel anything that isn't adding significant value to your life. That money can be redirected to your savings or debt goals. And finally, number 10. Practice gratitude and visualization. This might sound a bit woo-woo, but it's incredibly important for your mindset. After you've done all the practical steps, take a moment to be grateful for the income you have, no matter the amount. Acknowledge your hard work, then visualize your financial future. Picture yourself achieving your goals debt-free, buying your first home, traveling the world. This isn't just daydream. It reinforces your why. It connects your daily financial actions to your long-term dreams, giving you the motivation to stay disciplined even when it's tough. Your mindset is your greatest asset. So there you have it, the 10 smart money moves to make the moment your salary arrives. It's not about complex spreadsheets or depriving yourself. It's about being intentional. It's about creating simple systems that run on autopilot, freeing you up to live your life with less stress and more freedom. By implementing these steps, you're not just managing your money, you're building a better future, one payday at a time. Now, I want you to take the first step today. It all starts with one small action. In the comments below, tell me, what is the number 1 money move you are going to make the next time you get paid? Is it automating your savings? Tackling a specific debt? Let's inspire each other to build better financial habits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to master your money. See you next time.